Hi there, it's Karen from Session Lab, and I'm going to show you how you can use the new Pages feature in Session Lab to go from workshop brief or training needs assessment into a agenda outline. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're doing a leadership training workshop, and first of all, we'll start by clicking to go to the new Pages feature. And here you can select Pages, and you can either choose from a template such as training needs assessment or create your own. And here I'm going to gather all of the information from my client. Now, once I've got everything that I need, I can simply click the Ask AI button, click Create Agenda, and it gives me everything I need for a leadership training for new managers. Here you'll see all the blocks created from my agenda brief, and then I can start populating it with information that I need. I hope you enjoy trying it out in Session Lab.